Hey Kinder friends, Miss Nelson. Do you remember these Alpha friends? Let's review their names, sounds, and letters. The one on the left, that's Tyra Tiger, right here. The Alpha friend for the letter T. The letter T stands for the T sound. What sound? T. That's right. What letter? T. Awesome job, Kinder friends. Let's think of some words that start with the letter T, just like the word tiger. How about the word top? Does top begin with the letter T? T. It sure does. Okay, how about the word tape? Tape. Awesome. And then we need one more word. How about the word 10? All right, awesome job, Kinder. On the right here, we have Benny Bear, the alpha friend for the letter B. The letter B has the sound B, like in the beginning of bear. What letter? B. Great job. What sound? B. What other words can you think of that start with the letter B? How about the word bug? Bug. And the word bee, like the bee that buzzes. We need one more. Bell. Great! Now we're going to sort these words by their beginning sound. I will move the words that begin with T under Tyra Tiger, and the ones that begin with B under Benny Bear. Ready? Does bell begin with B or T? That's right, B, bell. So we're going to put him under Benny Bear. Okay, how about the word top? Does top begin with T or B? Awesome work, Kinder. How about the word tape? Tape. That's right, it'll go under T. Tyra Tiger. How about bee? B. Bee. Benny Bear. We've got two more words, Kinder friends. Let's do it. B. Bug. Benny Bear. It's going to go under Benny Bear. Awesome. And our last word, 10. 10. Great job. Give yourselves a pat on the back, Kinder. You guys are so amazing at helping me sort my T and B words. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.